Let's try and get this brassica bed sorted, new bed sorted. It's got some spring onions and some beetroot in it, but I'll just have to work around that. Yes, very close spacing, I know. So it'll be small cabbages and a couple of kale there, Caballero Nero. I'm going to put the frame, the white coal frame over it and net it, but first I'll water those in. I'll pause it for now. And we're all in. It isn't pretty. Let's hope it works. I can finally get that brassica cage moved. This bit, the very last bit of this video, planted out my 2 Defender courgettes, and they're going to grow up this structure. Growing them vertically. Did it last year on that exactly the same structure, so I'm hoping it does well. They do well, I should say. I've also grown a Black Beauty. I had 2 seeds left and one of them germinated, or was it 4 seeds? I can't remember now. I think it was 4 seeds and only one of them germinated. So I planted it in this mess with some cosmos. Just to grow up the fence here. Mr. Mole's been at my parsnips again. Still, you can see the germination now a bit better. I think it's 100%. Apart from the one he's dug up, which is still there, but I think it'll be no good anymore. Anyway, quick look at the beans I put in yesterday. All still stood up. All looking fine. Same for the sweet corn, only looking a little bit yellow to me. I think I might give them a feed of my liquid horse manure liquid feed. Let's do that. Just to finish off this short video, showing you that Pumpkinator made it through the evening, through the night I should say. I'm not sure whether I should be pulling these buds off if it's too early or not. Can somebody tell me? Thank you. Bye.